In 20 years, you may never need to see a human doctor again. But here's the catch. Most people aren't ready for this. The rise of AI in healthcare will soon make human doctors obsolete. AI is already diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately than any human doctor could. Think about it. AI doesn't get tired, doesn't make mistakes, and never gets emotional. By 2035, robots will be performing surgeries, and AI will be diagnosing diseases before you even feel the symptoms. But here's the problem. The healthcare system isn't ready. A world without human doctors would mean huge shifts in how we view healthcare and the entire medical industry. How will society handle this? Will we trust AI with our health, or will we resist this technological evolution? The real question isn't whether AI can replace doctors. It's whether we're ready to trust it. Can we place our lives in the hands of machines? And if we do, are we ready to give up human touch? It's a moral dilemma, a technological revolution, and most importantly, a sign that the future of healthcare is already here. So, why aren't we ready for this? Because the world is not ready to let go of human doctors, even though we're already being replaced. The truth is, AI will change everything. And when it does, we'll all have to adapt, whether we like it or not.